Another judge's ruling today does nothing to stop the legal fight over a Wisconsin law that would require people to have a photo ID to vote.
The state attorney general announced today he's appealing a decision yesterday when a second Dane County judge blocked the law. Ms. Amitri spoke with people on both sides of the issue.
Republicans and Democrats disagree on whether the voter ID law is about disenfranchising voters or preventing voter fraud, but they do agree that yesterday's ruling doesn't mean an end to the debate.
No, this issue is far from over.
The fight's not over.
Republicans say Wisconsin's voter ID law requiring voters to show a photo ID at the polls prevents voter fraud. Democrats say it denies the right to vote for the 300,000 people in the state who don't already have the necessary identification.
For whatever reason, Scott Walker and Robin Voss think if seniors, African Americans, Hispanics, and students don't vote, it's better for them.
Scot Ross with One Wisconsin Now was pleased to see Dane County Circuit Court Judge David Flanagan became the second to reject the law. Republican Representative Robin Voss says he's not surprised.
My hope is that the Supreme Court, now that two activist judges in Dane County have taken the Constitution into their own hands, will realize that they need to address this issue prior to the November elections to ensure that in Wisconsin we have voter ID in place to guarantee that elections are fair.
Flanagan temporarily blocked the law in March. The same month, another Dane County judge permanently blocked it in a separate case. Yesterday, Flanagan also made his injunction permanent. Wisconsin Attorney General J.B. Van Hollen says he's appealing both rulings, and people on both sides of the issue are already anticipating it will make it to the state Supreme Court.
When it goes to the Supreme Court, I am confident that they will use the common sense entrusted to them by the voters of the entire state, not just one liberal enclave, to do the right thing for Wisconsin.
The Supreme Court here in the state of Wisconsin, it'll be a challenge because the Supreme Court here is traditionally conservative. And so everybody will just have to keep fighting, make sure that this law doesn't go back into place.
The Department of Justice says it's moving as quickly as possible to get through the appeals process, but they don't expect any significant decisions to come down anytime soon. So if nothing does happen before then, voters won't need a photo ID at the August 14th primary or the November 6th election.
Okay, Lizzie, thanks.